What in the butt? Be right back while I go downstairs to get more douches. This is why I have no friends. Dun 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 dun. Hi everyone, it's me, Julie Vu. Today we're gonna learn about douching 10169 with Miss Julie Vu. Don't say ew, don't be immature, okay? This is all about sex education. Where else you don't learn it from? Let your online mother teach you about stuff, okay? Don't be closed-minded. Today it's all about education. But before I talk about douching, can I have 40 seconds of your time? I just want to say thank you so much for all the love and support. Yesterday when I premiered my Lost and Found short film with Abdella Amor, I'm so proud of the piece. I'm so sorry that it was so short. We kind of featured it. We did feature it at Buffer Festival, and they only let us have like 11 minutes or under, so I'm sorry if it was like quick. I wish we could film more for you guys, but yeah, the story is about friendship, acceptance, and all of that. It's similar to my story in high school, but the ending didn't happen like that. I actually came out to my best friend and he never spoke to me ever again. So the film was basically how I wanted my life or that friendship to end, but yeah, it didn't happen in high school. I wanted to create something with a message that says it's okay to accept my friends, my best friend, or whoever that may be, my family, my daughter, my son, whoever, that it's okay and we're all the same person in the end. Okay, I just want to promote acceptance and hopefully open the minds of the closed. And yeah, anyways, thank you so much for all your love and support. I'm very proud of the piece and much love, but let's jump on into this video. Douching, douche. First and foremost, this is a brand new douche, okay? I'm not waving around a used douche, so don't freak out, okay? Let's start off with the basics. So, there are different and many ways to have penetrative sex, okay? And one of them is called anal. And I am the anal princess, the backdoor bandit, if you will. So it is important for people who like to have anal sex to clean themselves, you know, good hygiene. The last thing we want is someone having an accident or it being messy. And I'm sure anyone who has ever bottomed have experienced this. I've had my fair share, but we live and we learn, okay? And that's why we douche, okay? So anal sex. I think there's nothing wrong with it. That's how a lot of gay men have sex. Not just gay men, but anyone, okay? Some cisgendered men with their girlfriends love to have anal sex. It's pretty normal. So I just hate it when I come across some ignorant people saying,
oh, the butt is only for pooping. It's a one-way track.
That is false. If you clean yourself and you prepare yourself, it is amazing. You just gotta learn how to clean yourself. That's why we're talking about douching 101. This is a douche and the action is douching, okay? This tool here pumps in water, you shove it up your butthole and then you squirt it out and it cleans your butt. A lot of people are afraid of anal sex because it can be messy, it could be dirty, and that's why we douche. Okay, that's why we have to clean ourselves, and it's so important that we do. And a lot of people have different ways of cleaning themselves. I know some friends who starve themselves for 2 days. It's just really weird, okay? So it just really depends on your body because everyone is different. For me, I need like at least like an hour or 2 hours and I'm like good to go. I like to do this before I have anal sex, obviously, to clean myself and make sure no accidents happen. And you just want to keep doing it 20, 30 times, however time it takes, how many times it takes for you to be clean. You're good to go. So I keep doing it until the water is clear. Super important. Educate yourselves, okay? Anal sex doesn't have to be dirty, it doesn't have to be messy, you don't have to be afraid of it. If you've been married to your husband for a while now and you want to spice things up, I think he'd be pretty excited if you proposed him to do anal. Like, you never know, right? So buy yourself one of these. They're super affordable. You can buy them at the sex store. I'm sure Amazon sells it or wherever. But yeah, it's called a douche and it looks like this. By the way, this isn't made for just one type of person. It could be made for anybody, for women who like to clean out their vagina and stuff. So I have two, one for anal, for the back door, and one for cleaning out the lube every time I dilate, if I do dilate. So I have two. I'm sorry if this topic is weird today, but I just feel like I need to educate people and let people know that it's okay to stick it in your butt, okay? Like, it's not weird, guys. Like, calm down, okay? If you're young and you've never tried anal and you're like, what do I do? Get yourself a douche, put it in water, use a cup or the sink or the bathtub or whatever, take your water source, put it up there and clean yourself until it is all out and you're feeling fresh and empty and you're good to go and you don't have to be afraid. So very useful tool for everyone and anybody. Yeah, that's all I have to talk about. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. I just wanted to introduce this object, this item with you guys for those who have never heard of it. Thank you so much for watching. That's all I have to share with you guys today. I love you guys. Hopefully you guys are staying safe and healthy and trying to keep sane. I don't know how the hell I'm doing it, but I'm trying my best, girl. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Mwah.